New is this easy DIY yard drain French drain kit. This new armor pipe and 3-inch knife cut just hit the ground. Look at this. We have knife cuts 360 degrees. What do we use knife cut for in a yard drain French drain? We can connect it to catch basins and we can flow water through it without plugging the perforations because there's just little cuts in it. There's no material ground out. It'll also take in water if you put stone around it, so it could act as a French drain and a yard drain both. We're really excited about this pipe. This is going to be wearing our armor pipe branding. It's really heavy duty, and we just love the 360 degrees of knife cuts. It's all virgin material, no recycled material. It's pure virgin HDPE. HDPE stands for high density polyethylene. All these parts are also HDPE. It's really safe, it's good for the environment, and it'll last a lifetime. It comes with a 3x100 fabric, a roll of tape, 50 fabric staples. It's a complete yard drain French drain kit. It's an easy DIY kit or a small kit for a contractor where a homeowner is on a budget and they're looking for like a B kit. Or maybe you can't get your equipment in the backyard and you're going to be hand digging. So we got the female in, male out in the direction of flow. This is in our trencher series. We have the catch basins that are only 5 inches wide. They fit in a trench made by a trenching shovel or a trencher, a rental trencher. Super easy DIY. When we bundle a kit like this, we give it to you at a really great savings. All right, everybody, if you like the products and kits that we're making available to the public, to the DIYer, to the contractor, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.